Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's get real for a minute. Do you ever feel like your paycheck just vanishes into thin air? One minute it's in your account, and the next, you're left wondering where it all went. If you're nodding along, you are not alone. It can be incredibly stressful trying to keep track of every dollar, feeling like you're constantly playing catch-up. But what if I told you there's a simple, straightforward rule that could completely change your relationship with money and put you back in the driver's seat of your financial future? It's not some complicated Wall Street secret. It's a practical method anyone can use. Ready to hear it? Here's a simple rule that can change everything. This game-changing strategy is called the 50-30-20 rule. It's a budgeting guideline designed to make managing your money less about tedious spreadsheets and more about clear, simple categories. The beauty of this rule is its simplicity. It divides your after-tax income into just 3 spending buckets. Let's break it down. First up is the 50 part. This means you allocate 50% of your income to your needs. These are the absolute essentials, the things you must pay for to live. We're talking about your rent or mortgage, utility bills like electricity and water, groceries, transportation costs to get to work, and essential insurance payments. Think of it this way. If it's a non-negotiable expense that keeps a roof over your head and food on your table, it falls into this 50% category. This is the foundation of your budget, covering your basic survival and security. Next we have the 30 part. This is where a little bit of fun comes in. 30% of your income is allocated to your wants. Wants are all the things that make life more enjoyable, but aren't strictly necessary for survival. This includes things like dining out at your favorite restaurant, your Netflix subscription, tickets to a concert, that new video game you've been eyeing, or a weekend getaway. This category is all about your lifestyle choices. It's important to remember that this isn't about feeling guilty for spending. It's about spending mindfully on the things that bring you joy, while keeping it within a planned limit. Finally, and arguably the most important for your future self, is the 20 part. This final 20% of your income is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This is your power move for building long-term wealth and financial freedom. This bucket includes making extra payments on student loans or credit card debt to pay them off faster, contributing to your retirement account, or building up an emergency fund. This 20% is you paying your future self first. It's the portion of your income that works for you, growing over time and providing a safety net for unexpected events. So how do you start? It's simple. Look at your take-home pay for the month. Calculate 50%, 30%, and 20% of that number. Then, track your spending and see how it lines up. If you find you're spending 70% on needs, it might be a signal to look for ways to reduce your core expenses. If your wants are creeping up to 40%, you know exactly where you can cut back. Start applying this today and watch your finances transform. It gives you a clear, actionable plan that takes the guesswork out of managing your money. So, what do you think? Have you tried the 50-30-20 rule? Or maybe you use a different budgeting method that works wonders for you? I'd love to hear about it. Share your experience in the comments below. Your tips could help someone else in our community. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making your money work for you. See you in the next video.